Hi guys, good morning. Nandito tayo sa rooftop ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng roasted peanuts. So nakabili ako ng peeled na peanuts. So ang gagawin natin is i-boil natin for about 5 minutes. Then after that, pwede na natin i-roast. So let's go! So ito, wash lang natin.
She hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart. Oh, full force and she got me like I be like, baby, why you so fine?